In this example, I will show you the general concept for creating 3D elements. Assume we want to create this geometry. Then we need to have first 2D element called profile, which should be swept out on another 2D geometry called guide curve. And by that, the application will find the external boundaries for the 3D element. Consequently, extra operations will be done to find the faces and edges, and also the vertices that related to the produced geometry. Then, let's see how to work it out. Let's create the first two-dimension element. Now, let's create the second two-dimension element. The parts documents will be saved with extension of cat part, while the products will be saved as cat product. Speaking of the names, normally after loading the parts and products in the memory, then they will be called components. In this example, I will show you the required techniques in order to create a well-structured and robust design. Then exit the sketcher. Let's now create the flanges pad. Now, click Work on Support 3D icon. Choose Local and select Axis System 1. And click OK. Click Multi-Section Surface. Select the 4 sections. From other side, its own level will be considered the first active level as well. That means all the block that related to the selected component, starting from that level, will be loaded to the operation field in the memory. First method, click the new icon. The new dialog box is displayed, allowing you to choose the type of the document that you need. Select Drawing and click OK. The new drawing box is displayed. We'll talk about it later. For now, click OK. The second method, select Start, Mechanical Design, and then select the Drafting Workbench. Again, the new drawing box is displayed. For now, click OK. Go to the Text Style tab. Select the Customized option and enter 2 as the size value. Click the grid icon. As a name, let's keep Grid 1. And then click OK to create the grid.
Use 5 as the confusion radius. And click OK to confirm. Now, let's check the result. From the Quality tab, use Higher Accuracy Value. Then click the Render Shooting command.
Every element is auto will be in the visible space, while the hidden elements will go to the non-visible one. We can't swap these two spaces by clicking the Swap Visible Space icon. Now, let me show you some of the compass functions. In the compass, click Z. As you see, now we have view from Z direction. Let's do the same for X and Y. Grab the compass from the small red square and drop it on this geometry. Make sure part 1-2 is highlighted, then rotate and move the compass. This time, the active element is modified. Now, let's create more than one view. Click the multi-view icon. As you see, we got 4 views. To activate any one of them, then just click inside the required view. To go back to the single view design, then one more time, click the multi-view icon. Now, as you see, we have the geometry area to display the design. Also, we have the specification tree, which represent all the steps you have done to build this design. In fact, the specification tree will be used extensively in most of our work. This tree will get bigger and bigger as we do more operations. You can hide and show it by clicking the F3 key. As you see, the geometry area is deactivated. You see here, like most of the applications, we have redo and undo commands. In fact, they will be used extensively to regain the back and forward operations.